You walk into a gym for the very first time. The machines are big, the room is loud, and you have no idea where to start. Stay with this story, and you will learn the English words you need for exactly this moment. Today, you will learn 6 important English words through a story. The words are routine, equipment, personal trainer, session, progress, and warm-up. You will hear each word used naturally, and you will understand it clearly. Our story is about a woman named Clara. Clara is 32 years old. She works at a desk all day, and she feels tired every evening. One morning, Clara looks in the mirror. She does not feel strong. She does not feel healthy. She decides to make a change. Clara signs up for a gym near her office. The gym is called City Fit. It opens at 6 in the morning and closes at 10 at night. Clara plans to go 3 times a week. On Monday morning, Clara wakes up early. She puts on her trainers and her gym clothes. She feels a little nervous, but she also feels excited. She arrives at the gym at 7 o'clock. The gym is already busy. Many people are running, lifting weights, and stretching. Clara stands near the door. She is not sure what to do first. A young man at the desk smiles at her. His name is Marco. He works at the gym. He says, "Is this your first time here?" Clara nods and says, "Yes, I am a little lost." Marco says, "Don't worry. Many people feel that way on the first day. The most important thing is to build a routine." A routine. This is a set of activities that you do regularly, in the same order, at the same time. A routine helps you stay organized and make habits. Marco shows Clara around the gym. There is a room with many different machines and tools for exercise. Marco calls all of these things equipment. Equipment means the machines, tools, and objects that you use to do a job or an activity. In a gym, equipment includes treadmills, weights, and bikes. Clara looks at the equipment carefully. Some of it looks simple. Some of it looks very complicated. She is not sure how to use the big weight machines. Marco has an idea. He says, "I think you should meet our personal trainer. Her name is Sophia. She can help you learn how to use everything safely." A personal trainer is an exercise expert who teaches one person or a small group. They make a special plan just for you. Sophia walks over with a big, warm smile. She is wearing a blue shirt with the gym's name on it. She shakes Clara's hand and says, "Welcome, Clara. I am really happy to help you." Sophia sits down with Clara at a small table. She asks Clara some questions. What are your goals? Do you have any pain in your body? How many times a week can you come to the gym? Clara answers each question honestly. Clara says, "I want to feel stronger. I also want to have more energy. I can come 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday." Sophia writes everything down. She nods and smiles. If this story is helping you learn English, tap the like button now. It really helps other learners find this channel. Sophia makes a plan for Clara. She says, "We will start with 1 session together. After that, you will know what to do on your own." A session is a period of time that you spend doing one activity. One gym session might be 45 minutes or 1 hour. Sophia takes Clara to the open floor area. She says, "Before we use any equipment, we must do a warm-up." A warm-up is gentle exercise that you do at the start of a workout. It prepares your body and helps you avoid injury. The warm-up lasts about 10 minutes. Clara walks slowly on the treadmill. Then she does some gentle stretches for her arms, legs, and back. Her body starts to feel warm and ready. Sophia watches Clara carefully. She corrects Clara's posture gently. She says, "Keep your back straight. Good." Now relax your shoulders. Perfect. Clara listens and follows every instruction. After the warm-up, Sophia shows Clara 3 simple exercises. The first exercise uses a small set of dumbbells. Those are short handheld weights. The second exercise uses a mat on the floor. The third exercise uses a resistance band, a long, stretchy rubber band. Sophia explains each exercise slowly and clearly. She shows Clara the movement first. Then Clara tries it herself. When Clara makes a small mistake, Sophia does not laugh. She simply says, "Try again. You are doing well." Clara feels a little tired after the exercises, but she also feels good. Her muscles feel alive. She feels like she has done something real and useful. At the end of the session, Sophia gives Clara a printed sheet of paper. On the paper, there is her weekly routine, which exercises to do on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. There are also notes about which equipment to use and how many times to do each exercise. Clara folds the paper carefully and puts it in her bag. She says, "Thank you so much, Sophia. I feel much better now. I know what to do." Sophia smiles and says, "Come back on Wednesday and we will check how you feel." Clara walks home feeling happy. She already looks forward to Wednesday. That night, she reads through her routine again before she sleeps. She wants to remember everything. On Wednesday, Clara comes back to the gym. She remembers her routine. First, the warm-up. Then, the 3 exercises. She uses the equipment that Sophia showed her. She feels more confident than Monday. At first, some of the exercises are hard. Clara's arms feel weak when she lifts the dumbbells. She can only do 8 repetitions. That means she lifts the weight 8 times before she needs to stop and rest. But Clara does not give up. She rests for 30 seconds. Then she tries again. She finishes all the exercises on her list. She is proud of herself. Sophia sees Clara and gives her a thumbs up. She says, "You came back. That is the most important step." Clara smiles and says, "I even did the warm-up at home before I left. I did not want to waste any time here." Weeks pass. Clara continues her routine, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, week after week. Some mornings are hard. Sometimes she wants to stay in bed. But she thinks about her goal, and she gets up. After 4 weeks, something begins to change. Clara notices that the exercises feel a little easier. She can now do 12 repetitions with the dumbbells instead of 8. Her energy at work is better. She does not feel as tired in the evenings. One Friday morning, Sophia sits down with Clara to review her first month. She says, "Let's talk about your progress." Progress means the improvement that you make over time. When you get better at something step by step, that is progress. Sophia shows Clara a simple chart. It shows how Clara has improved in each exercise over 4 weeks. Clara looks at the chart quietly. Her eyes get a little wet. She did not expect to feel so emotional. Sophia says gently, "This progress is yours, Clara. You did the work. You came every week. You followed your routine. You should be proud." Clara takes a deep breath and says, "I am. I really am." Sophia now makes a new plan for Clara. The exercises are a little harder now. There is new equipment to learn. There is a new session time on Saturday mornings as well. Clara feels ready for the challenge. Before Clara leaves the gym that day, she stops and looks around the room. The machines look familiar now. The equipment does not look scary anymore. She knows how to use the treadmill, the dumbbells, the mat, and the resistance band. She remembers her first day. She remembers standing near the door, not knowing where to start. She smiles. everything feels different now. Clara's story is a simple one, but it is also real. Starting something new is always a little scary. But with a good routine, the right equipment, and a kind personal trainer, even the hardest beginning can become something beautiful. Her first session was difficult, but every session after that built her confidence. Every week she could see her progress. And the warm-up, that small, gentle start, became her favorite part of each day. Now let's review the 6 key words from today's story. The first word is routine. A routine is a set of activities that you do regularly in the same order. Clara's routine was exercising on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The second word is equipment. Equipment means the machines, tools, and objects used for a job or activity. At the gym, equipment includes treadmills, dumbbells, mats, and resistance bands. The third word is personal trainer. A personal trainer is an exercise expert who creates a special plan for one person. Sophia was Clara's personal trainer. She guided Clara and helped her stay safe. The fourth word is session. A session is a period of time spent doing one activity. One gym session is usually between 30 and 60 minutes. Clara had sessions on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The fifth word is progress. Progress is the improvement that you make over time. After 4 weeks, Clara could do more repetitions and felt stronger. That was her progress. Progress takes time, but it is always real. The sixth word is warm-up. A warm-up is gentle exercise done at the beginning of a workout. It prepares your body for harder movement and helps you avoid injury. Clara always started with a 10-minute warm-up. Here is a short example sentence using all 6 words together. My personal trainer helped me build a daily routine. Before every session, I do a warm-up with basic equipment. Every week, I can see my progress getting better. You have done really well today. You followed an entire story in English and learned 6 useful words. Every story you listen to builds your vocabulary a little more. You are making progress, just like Clara. Before you go, write one sentence in the comments using today's words. For example, tell us about your own routine or a session you remember. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a daily lesson. Share it with a friend who is learning English too.